Will the real Slim Shady please stand up? Please stand up. What's up, sons? It's Blind Rod with Son of a Tech once again, and today we are going to be going over the profits for the Antminer L3 Plus that has been merge mining Dogecoin and Litecoin for the past week. We did a how-to merge mine video last week, and definitely go check that out if you have an L3 Plus and want to get that configured properly. I am finding it to be the most profitable form of mining with the L3 Plus, and of course we are going to get into the details, some numbers for you guys right after a word from our sponsor and after I take this gum out of my mouth. Today's sponsor is myself. To support the channel, click the join button down below and you will be able to access our privately hosted Rocket Chat. Selecting the $1.99 option will get you access, and after that you just need to head on over to the membership tab, scroll down and expand out your membership perks and find the section for connecting on social media. In that section there will be a secret registration URL for Rocket Chat where you can sign up and enjoy talking with other cryptocurrency enthusiasts and miners without scammers, spammers, or bots. Welcome back. So if you guys aren't familiar with the L3 Plus from Antminer, is essentially an ASIC miner. We talk primarily about GPU mining on this channel. However, we have been diving into some ASICs, at least cheap, affordable ASICs here recently, like the Z9 Mini and the LT3 Plus or the L3 Plus, just primarily due to the fact that, yes, if we can purchase something that's going to ROI and make a profit at a decent price, then we are going to do it. And that's kind of the way that I function as far as that sort of investment style goes. I also prefer, if you guys aren't aware, things that generate revenue. So things like adding liquidity into, of course, like Uniswap or staking, you know, whatever it may be, whether that's Polkadot or whatnot. And then, of course, mining. I primarily focus on generating revenue, not buying and holding coins or trading. The trading is very active and that takes and consumes time. I would rather generate revenue on a passive scale. And if I am just purchasing something and hoping that it goes up in price, then I'm not really doing anything, at least in my opinion. I'm not a fan of buying and just holding. I don't find that valuable. So that aside, as far as philosophy goes, this isn't financial advice, by the way. This is just what I do. Let's talk about the Antminer L3 Plus and the profits we've had for the week. So hopping right in, as you can see, we've been mining for about 7 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we have earned about 0.071 Litecoin. And in Doge, we have earned 129 Doge. And this is in 7 days. Obviously, we didn't get a full day of mining for one of the days, so kind of keep that in mind. But if you're going to go ahead and take a look at what that converts to in US dollar, Dogecoin, we would have earned about $36.61 at the current price of Dogecoin right now. And then for Litecoin, we have earned $18.14 in Litecoin here over the past week. So if we add both of those up for the week, we have made $54.75 on the Antminer L3 Plus. Of course, we need to calculate in power still as well. So let's go ahead and do that. So if we head on over to what to mine, an easy way to calculate power is actually just to not have any hash rate in your miner, at least in my opinion, right? So, well, let's go to ASICs here. There we go. Let's just clear that out and let's say 800 watts, right? So we're going to calculate that out. And as you can see, that would cost $1.92 a day. So what we are going to do is just do 1.92 times 7 equals 1344. So we have 5475 minus 1344, and our profit after power at 10 cents a kilowatt hour would be $41.31 for the week. If we divide that by 7, we would get $5.90 a day. And then if we multiplied that by 365, we would be at $2,154 for, of course, the week. Alrighty, so there you go. You're basically going to be making $2,154 at the current price of Dogecoin and Litecoin if you are merge mining on Poolin. So definitely check out the how-to for that on this channel if you need assistance in getting that configured. Now, we did get some reports of some cancellations of orders on Amazon by the vendors, and this was some of the used vendors. However, those tweets have been retracted that were to me, but I did also get a email from Parallel Miner saying that some users have actually canceled the order for the power supplies, saying that their orders for the L3 Plus were canceled on Amazon. So I'm not sure exactly what's going on there, but it does seem like there were some issues with either the amount that were available on Amazon, etc. And I do need to address this. If you guys are wanting to pick up any of the miners that I talk about on this channel in the current mining kind of ecosystem, you're going to need to make sure that you have notifications on this channel and that you click in quick. Within 20 to 30 minutes of me posting a video of anything that's available for purchase that has to relate to mining, they are sold out. I try to make sure that I'm only presenting things that are currently profitable and orderable from trusted websites such as Amazon, etc. And I try to vet those out to the best of my ability. So if I have the links for them, you are able to purchase them. That being said, you only have a window of about 20 to 30 minutes when it is up. I will be posting the video first in Rocket Chat for notifications. If you are worried about the YouTube notifications not working, you can join us over there. Thanks for watching. I will see you next Tuesday. If you enjoyed this content, you can check out more crypto content on this playlist up here. Or, of course, go ahead and subscribe for more in the future. Adios.